Welcome to Tech Aid.
Now we are going to see an important software for iPhone users, and that is 3U Tools.
So first, let's download the app. Now open a browser and type 3U Tools. After downloading, install the app.
Now open 3U Tools and connect your iDevice. You can see your iDevice details such as DP, model number, IMEI, activation status, jailbroken or not, iCloud status and many more from the home page. Click on View Verification Report, and if the X factory values matches with read value, then the test result is normal, which means built-in spare parts are not tampered or changed. Now click on View iDevice Details, and you know your Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi serial number, mobile numbers, battery health, and many more. Here you can also see the storage used for files and apps. Now go to Apps section, and you can see all the installed apps. You can also check how much data does your app take. You can uninstall if not required. Click View and you can export or import files into that app. Go to the Photos section and you can see all photos, videos, and all the albums. Now I am going to show you how to import photos to Camera Roll. Now open Pick Tools on your iDevice. Photos and videos gets imported. Go to Music and you can see songs from Apple Music. Press Import and select the songs and click Open. Now open Books and you can import PDF and EPUB into your iDevice. Using this method, you can actually keep your favorite song as your ringtone. Go to Ringtones and click Make Ringtone, add the file. And click Generate Ringtone. Now click Import to iDevice. Click Common Tools, and you can find more useful tools. You can back up all your files or custom files of your iDevice. Click 3U AirPlayer and you can mirror your iDevice. To connect wireless, make sure laptop and iDevice are connected to same Wi-Fi. Now click Screen Mirroring in the iDevice and click 3U Player. To connect with wires, connect the iDevice using cable. Click on the toolbox and you can see many more useful tools. For instance, you can convert hike photos to JPG or compress photos to take less space. or converting audio formats. And you can convert video files to MP4 to save it to iDevice. You can also check your iDevice accessories are genuine or not.
Thanks for watching. Check our channel for more content. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.